There are tons of different iPads out there, and personally, there is only one iPad, in my opinion, that is 100% worth of money. And the only iPad that should be in your list for this holiday season. Yes, that's this right here. This is the 9th generation. Before I unveil the unbelievable secrets of getting your hands on this top tier iPad that originally cost a staggering 32,000, all for just around 23,000 in Ovantica, subscribe for more exciting deals. Now, let's plunge into its beast level features. Let's talk power. The A13 Bionic chip inside this beast is like a tiny rocket engine. It will zip through everyday tasks, handle heavy duty multitasking like a champ, and even run demanding games without breaking a sweat. Forget lag and say goodbye to loading screens. This iPad is all about smooth sailing. The real magic happens with the software. iPadOS 16 is a game changer. Multitasking is a breeze with split view and stage manager, keeping everything organized and accessible at a glance. And with millions of apps available on the App Store, you can customize your iPad to fit your unique needs, whether you are a student, a creative professional, or just a Netflix enthusiast. Hold on, folks, because the iPad 9th Gen isn't done surprising you yet. We have talked about its processing prowess, stunning visuals, and seamless connectivity. But let's dive into some extra features that make this tablet truly special. First up, unleash your inner artist with the Apple Pencil support. Whether you are sketching masterpieces, taking detailed notes, or making up documents, the pencil glides across the screen with unmatched precision and responsiveness. It's like having a real pen and paper, but with the magic of digital. Need to get some serious work done? No problem. Snap on the smart keyboard and transform your iPad into a mini laptop. The keys are satisfyingly clicky. The typing experience is smooth and it's perfect for cranking out emails, writing reports, or even tackling the novel you have been dreaming of. Yes, guys, these are some of the secret facts packed within the iPad 9, showcasing its exceptional capabilities. Now, as I promised, let's revisit why choosing a renewed iPad through Ovantica could be a game changer. When you choose Ovantica.com, you are in for a treat. We offer up to 1 year warranty with free delivery anywhere in India. Plus, every device undergoes a rigorous 14-point quality check, ensuring that you get nothing but the best. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more fantastic tech insights.